Okay, this is the Foamfighters F22. I got the wings straight again, and you see here I put a carbon rod on the wing and on the tails. I have a Grayson Hobbies Super Mega Jet. Yeah, we didn't go with rudders, so we'll see how she flies. I say it's going to be fast because I did have the motor on the RC Powers F22, but the foam board that we have here, it's like the one with paper on each side, and it was like £1.5, maybe £2 too heavy for the motor. It did go like it, but there was no speed, no power to it at all. So this yoke is like, what, £2 lighter. So it looks well, just finished. So hopefully I'll get a maiden on Friday.